Okay, we've got two questions we're going to review here. Question number 1 and question number 2. Question 1 says that land heats up faster during the day than the water does. As the beach gets warm during the day, it heats the air above it. We all know that warm air rises and the cool air from the ocean is pulled in to replace it. That is called a sea breeze. Whoa. That's pretty tiny. So, air flows from the ocean to the land in a sea breeze. Okay? Next, we have to look at this. At night, the land cools faster than the ocean. What most likely, there it is again, happens to the air at night? Okay, so I have to think back to myself. This is happening at night. Okay, so if this is happening at night, I know that the land is cooler, ocean is warmer. Air above the ocean rises, cooler air from, the land sinks in to replace it. We call this a land breeze. Not Drew Brees, goodness gracious, Mr. Bullens. Here we go. Now, what most likely happens? The air is still. Well, if there's a breeze, the air is not still. The air moves along the coast. Now, along the coast would be like along the water and everything else. That's not the answer. Sherlock does not like that answer. The air flows from the ocean to the land. Well, we know if it's flowing from the ocean to the land. Sherlock says again, that cannot be the answer. We have the air flows from the land to the ocean. Notice, no barking this time. Sherlock really likes the answer of the land to the ocean, and that is a land breeze. All right, here we are at question number 2. What term best describes the type of wind that would most likely be present while playing on a sunny beach during the day? Okay, so with this one, you may actually have to draw a quick picture. There's my sun, and here's my land, and over here is my water. Understand I'm drawing with my finger on a mouse pad. Very sorry. Now, I know that during the day, the land heats up, so this air is going up because it's hot. I know that the air over the ocean is cooler, and it's sinking in to replace that. And this convection cell that we see here is called a sea breeze. Very rough drawing, but that's fine. So, do I have a hurricane? Again, if you are playing on the beach during a hurricane, yeah. Is it called a sea breeze? Well, that's what we labeled it here. I really like that answer. Is it a land breeze? No, that's the opposite of a sea breeze, so B is your best answer.